When I became blind at the age of 21, I realized I had a choice. I could allow my blindness to control the rest of my life, or I could go out and see what was still possible for me as a blind woman living in a sighted world. Losing my sight allowed me to learn fundamental skills about how to overcome challenges. As a speaker, I love the fact that I can use what I learned through this traumatic experience to help my audiences to overcome challenges they face in their own lives.
Round of applause for Lois and Fiji.
You may be thinking, wow, she's blind. That must be really hard. Or perhaps you're wondering how I managed to achieve all the items on my introduction without sight. Or maybe you're wondering, where are her cue cards? Well, on that last one, I don't have any. So we're just going to hope that I remember what I want to share with you today. So wish me luck.
Lois is a great storyteller. She uses humor in a way that draws her audience in. And I find her quite a compelling speaker to listen to. Without fail, she delivers value and would be an asset to any event. I highly recommend Lois as a speaker.
It's sometimes hard for a person to know how to engage effectively with a person with a disability, with any disability. And I know that.
It is hard, and I don't envy someone facing that concern of how do I approach. I've also had a lady walk up to me with my guide dog and say, I'm going to help you across the street, which she duly did. The fact that it was not a street that I was wanting to cross was totally irrelevant to her.
Hearing me talk openly about my experiences will allow your team to engage effectively and comfortably with colleagues, customers, and clients with disabilities, thus building better customer relations and fostering improved communication, diversity, and inclusion in your workplace.
In 2015, Lois was awarded the prestigious Tribute to Excellence Award, which honor women with disabilities who have excelled in their fields in the category of education and literature.
Over the past 3 years, I've heard her speak multiple times, and I kid you not, she will dazzle you with her words of wisdom, and they will take you to action and definitely to another level.
I'm always excited to tell people about the tools and techniques that enable me to accomplish tasks. People are often amazed at what I'm able to achieve using assistive technology.
Using email, Facebook, WhatsApp, Skype, and I use all of those platforms, even Twitter.
By sharing information about the tools that I have at my disposal enables me to help people understand how the disabled community are able to lead full and productive lives.
There is so much that I can do. Why should I waste my time worrying about the very few things that I can't?
Lois is confident, she is masterful, she's engaging, and audiences love her. Her message is strong in content, on inspiration, and incredible insight, again, that audiences really value. I highly recommend Lois Strachan as your next speaker.
Lois moved us all through her experiences of gaining independence and her journey, how she did not let anything stop her from doing what she aimed for.
I have a can-do attitude, and it's a very strong can-do attitude. Because every time I think about how I'm going to do something new, I come from it from the assumption that I will be able to do it. And that then starts shifting the questions that I have to ask myself in terms of how. So often, we let our lives be determined by our fears, by our circumstances, by our perceptions of what is or is not possible for us. My blindness has taught me that I have a choice, and so do you.